G'day, got Queensland Kev. Just been setting up myself a bit of a salami fridge. So basically, old fridge here. Gonna make myself some salami, hang it in there. So with a salami fridge, you need your temperature controller, which most people know about the good old STC 1000s. So that's going to be doing the fridge temperature controlling. And on the other side I've got another device, looks like an STC but it does humidity rather than temperature. So I've chucked them in a box, hooked up the outputs. Now to control the humidity, obviously the controller controls it, but we need something to generate humidity. So on eBay you can get these little ultrasonic pond mist makers, so they just create a bit of fog or mist around the pond. A few flashing lights look pretty, but we don't give a shit about that side. But when they run they splash around quite a bit, so what I did, I chucked mine into a bucket with the water, but so they can't splash onto the fan. I've actually chucked the fan and the exhaust into little PVC pipes, bent the ends over. So if I grab this one out, you can see I've actually just got a 90-degree corner, bit of 40mm pipe, cut a 40mm hole. So now that just slips in the hole, nice and tight. So any time I want to clean it down, take it out and hit it with a high pressure cleaner, I can just yank it out, no problems at all. Give it a gurney, bring it back in. So I've just got an inlet and an outlet. The inlet's just got a 40mm computer fan shoved on there, easy enough. So it's all sealed in this container. So if I turn the fans on, not very exciting, but now I've actually got the humidity set to wanting to be 80%, so it's 73% humidity today. Should cut in. So there goes the little humidity thing. I don't know how well you can see the moisture coming out. Probably if I didn't have a white background behind it, but it's actually pumping out pretty at a good rate. And that's all she does. So once you get to the correct humidity, the controller will switch it off automatic. Just having a quick look around if I've got anything that I could drop behind the to try and make the colour a bit better. Here's an old rag from the workshop. Don't know if that's going to work. That gives you a better contrast of colour. And see, it's actually fairly well pumping out the humidity there. Zoom out a bit more. Let's see if I can hang this rag up a bit better. You can see it's a fairly good flow. I don't think the camera is actually doing it justice at how much is actually pumping out of this. So obviously it's only going to run for a few minutes at a time. The fridge is going to get full of humidity very quick. And then once it's full of humidity, the controller will notice it. Check the sensor in front. You can see it's turned off already. It's pretty easy design, and like I say, you can see on the bucket how full of water it is. So you don't want pure water in your fridge. You know, get on your salami or cheese, whatever you're making. So that way you're only getting the pure moisture. Let's see. The moisture level is almost back to low enough that it'll start to cut back in. You can see it's low enough for it to cut back in, but we're waiting for the compressor to go. And there she goes again. So once again we need that rag hanging down over that to try and get an idea. Oh, that's a nice simple way of doing it. Get some pretty lights. And like I say, it just keeps all that moisture sealed in there. You can see on the lid quite a bit of water already. You know, it just splashes up so much in there. Oh, that's it. Just sort of enjoy your cheese making.